turn the volume down because I know it messes up my videos every single time. Anyways, we're gonna be playing some Roblox, like we do as usual. So yeah, well, let's go. I was playing some Speed Simulator. I have no idea what to play, no idea what I will play, and yeah. So yeah, maybe I'll check something in my favorites. My voice sounds, I don't know because I haven't watched my video yet because I'm recording right now, so I can't watch and record at the same time, so I don't know how my voice sounds. I have a mic to make my voice not sound squeaky, like, hello, like this. So yeah, I hope my voice sounds better, and I hope this records. Let's play. I have no idea, guys. No. I'll play. Let's just play something that's not hard and I can do at the same time. Maybe this. Yes, Descendants. My other Descendants video. Yeah. So, I hope I'm recording. Okay, yeah, let's go. Something's wrong with my games. They're like all glitching up, but I can't even see my body. I want to pick Audrey. Come on, Audrey. Audrey. Look at that. Look at how I look. Okay, why can't I move my screen? There we go. That's better. Is this the same one or what? Something is definitely wrong. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Leave game. No. No. Yeah. Maybe some speed simulator, guys, I guess. No. Maybe some Royal High. Yeah, Royal High. That's a good game. I'm still working on. No. Royal High. I hope my voice sounds way better. Because I hate my voice when my voice sounds like this. So yeah. Let's go. This is my avatar. Royal High. So yeah. I've been collecting diamonds. I'm saving up 8,000 diamonds. And that is super hard in Royal High. Because I want to... I want to save up for this. This looks like evil Audrey's from Descendants 3 outfit, but in merman form. And not mermaid, but man form. So I want to create a King of Mean merman form. And yeah. But that's going to be my hardest outfit. My best outfit. The hardest things you work for might be the best things you work for. And it's gonna all be worth it. I hope. So yeah. Let's play a little. And okay, let's go. Most of my videos are really short. Or long. I don't even care. So yeah. Royal High. Blah blah blah. And I hope this might be my second best video yet. Or my first best video yet. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard. If I act weird in my game, then it's because I have to hold one hand with a mic. I'm gonna get a stand later. So yeah. And then entering the castle, blah 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 blah. You know what? I'm gonna do this just for my people watching this video, which I think are going to be like 0, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So, since I want to make this way more descendancy, then I'll just darklings. No! Oh my 250 diamonds go away. Okay, maybe not waste, but you know what I mean. Yes! And out there now. To make this more descendancy, I'm gonna have to go to outfit for boys, dark. This used to be one of my outfits. Dark, yes. Dragonborn boy now, or Dragonborn boy now, or something like that. So yeah, I'm basically now as dragon. Dragonborn. Oh yes, no! We could have gone so much diamonds, but I know where else to get diamonds. I'm trying my best. I really need a stamp. Diamonds, can we collect it? No. I'm gonna drop my mic for a second. So yeah. Yes, we got it. Come on, let's go up. We're just gonna collect a little bit more diamonds, and yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Okay, so this helps me way more better. Okay, I think we're gonna collect diamonds right here. Okay, never mind. You know what? Wow, at least my voice sounded good in this video. Is it for today. So I'll see you guys next time in my next video, which I don't think will be soon. So yeah, bye.